Thor and Extraction star Chris Hemsworth said that he may be at an increased risk of developing Alzheimer's. The shocking revelation was made by the actor during an interview with the Vanity Fair. Chris underwent a battery of genetic tests to see if anything might have been waiting for him, etched into his very DNA. What he discovered, he says in the show, was my biggest fear. Mr. Hemsworth said that he came to know that he is genetically predisposed towards the Alzheimer's disease while undergoing routine tests during the filming of a new docu-series which will stream on Disney+. The Thor actor said that he discovered he carries 2 copies of the gene APOE4, which studies have linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. He, however, emphasized that it is not a diagnosis of Alzheimer's and neither does it mean he will definitely develop the disease, but it is a cause for concern. Hemsworth told Vanity Fair that he is planning to take a good chunk of time off work once his press tour for the Disney Plus series Limitless wraps. Only 2 to 3% of people, including Hemsworth, have copies of the gene from both the parents. Hemsworth told the publication that the disease information was controversial at first, but later turned into a self-depreciating joke. He said his grandfather, who had not spoken for several years, suffered from Alzheimer's disease and was constantly slipping in and out of Dutch-English mashup and possibly other new words. It's like 1 in 1,000 people, or 1 in 10,000, I can't remember, but 8 to 10 times more likely, he told Vanity Fair, jokingly adding, "Since you told me that, I feel like my memory is getting worse. It's a placebo effect or it's taking place." The actor is now taking steps to prevent dementia. Sleep management, stress management, nutrition and fitness are the tools he has been using. When using the same tools, a consistent approach should be followed. Hemsworth wants to inspire others to take better care of themselves by sharing his experiences. He added that he had no intention of manipulating or over-representing the news for the sake of empathy or entertainment.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.